Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add a pop-up in Google Sites. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to sites.google.com and log in to your Google account. Once logged in, choose either a blank site, a recent site that you wish to add the pop-up on. So, I'm going to use this site for this video. Now, we're going to open a new tab and go to TOWR.io. Because Google Sites does not have a pop-up option on its own, we will go here on the site, create an account, and we'll use the plugins right here to insert for our site. So, once you're inside the main dashboard, scroll down, and then once you see this one on the main, click on Plugin Library. From here, we're going to search pop-up from the search node. There are 5 choices that we can use, but I'm going to use this one. And then click on Get App. After that, you can select from a numerous number of templates given by this site. But for this video, let's say I'm going to use this. Now, as you can see, there are many ways to edit it, but for this video, I'm not gonna edit it and use it as it is. So, I'm gonna click on Publish on the top right corner. And then, from here, we're given the sites where we can use this pop-up. And as you can see, Google Sites is one of them. So, choose that option. And then, copy the HTML code provided by power.io. After you copy it, go back to your site, and then click on Embed, click Embed Code, and paste the HTML code that you just copied earlier. Click on Next, and then click on Insert. After that, you should see your pop-up right here available to use for your site. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!